In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Constant Contact. Let's start right from the beginning. First, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel. Click on the option labeled Channels to expand it, and then select Emails. This is where you'll manage and create all of your email campaigns, including newsletters. Inside the email section, move your eyes to the top right corner of the page and look for the button that says Create an Email. Click on that. The page will reload and you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose how you want to build your newsletter. Here, Constant Contact gives you several options. You can start from scratch with a blank layout, use your own custom code, import content from a PDF, reuse one of your existing templates, or pick from a library of pre-built Constant Contact templates. To keep things simple, we'll use one of the Constant Contact templates. Hover your mouse over a template you like, then click Select. Wait for the page to reload. It will open the template inside the email editor. Now you're in the email editor, where you'll customize your newsletter. On the left panel, you'll see different blocks, layouts, and sections you can add. To insert something new, simply drag it from the left panel and drop it into your email where you want it to appear. To edit an existing block, section, or layout, click directly on it. If it's a text block, you can type right inside it to change the content. When a block is selected, its settings and customization options will also appear in the left panel, so you can adjust things like fonts, colors, spacing, and images. If you want to delete something, select the block and click the trash icon that appears. To rearrange the order of elements, drag and drop them to a new position until the layout feels right. When you're happy with how your newsletter looks, go to the top right corner again and click Continue. The page will load a scheduling view and you'll first see a calendar. Give it a moment and a pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, choose the contact list or lists you want to send the newsletter to. Then set the From email address, making sure it's one your audience recognizes. Under the advanced options, you can specify which email address should receive early results and notifications. And you can also enable the option to resend the email to contacts who didn't open it the first time. This can help boost your overall engagement. Once all of those details are set, you're ready to decide when the newsletter goes out. You can schedule it for a specific date and time, which is helpful if you want to plan campaigns in advance, or you can choose Send Now to send it immediately. After you confirm your choice, your newsletter will be on its way to your audience.